point guard jumping screen.
That's always been his team.
That's when you know you ain't got no rebounder. And if you got a 5-guard lineup, you should be running.
Nice. Oh. Yeah, nice job, Chris.
Freshman's pretty strong. Yeah. I like the way he plays. Kind of goes right through people. 45? Yeah. After the season is over, I wrote to their dad a letter.
Nice pass, Mo.
Shoot it! Good pass, Elijah. He's like a wolf. You know, he's not a post player. He hit a three anytime he's getting an open shot. And it's hard for him to play in the play.
Nice pass.